Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be learning how to make this stylish sleeve that has a high-low 360-degree flare. I'll begin with drafting out the basic straight sleeve. So I'll fold the fabric into two this way. Then to get the cap height, I'll divide my bust into 12 plus 1 inch, and what it gave me was 3.8. I'll make a mark at 3.8, very close to 4 inches. Then from that point, I'm going to come down by 12 inches for my elbow line. I'll make a mark at my elbow line. I'll connect it. Now the full length for this sleeve is 17 inches. This depending on what you want. I'm making use of 17 inches. Now at this cap height line, I'm going to take my armhole measurement. My round armhole divided by 2, I'll make a mark. Then my round elbow divided by 2, I'll make a mark. Then at the full length of this sleeve, I'm going to take my round sleeve measurement divided by 2 as well. Then I'm going to connect. Once I was done connecting this, I'm going to take 1 inch sewing allowance. I'm going to connect it. Now at this point, I'm going to go in by 3 inches. I'll make a mark at 3 inches. Then from that point, I'm going to place my tape vertically this way, and I'm going to fold it into 2. I'll make a mark at the midpoint, just like this. Now I'm going to get my curve ruler to curve this. You can still use your free hand to do this. Now I'm going to connect to this point. Now flip the curve rule the other way around and then connect it to this other point. Then cut this out. This is what we have. By the time I open it up, this is the sleeve. The next thing I'll be doing right now is to cut the flare, the high-low flare for the down part. The measurement I use for this flare is my preferred measurement. There's no standard measurement for the high-low sleeve. Everything depending on what you want, how high you want it and how low you want it. So I'll be folding this now into 2 this way. I'll be getting both sleeves at the same time. The width I'll be working with will be 9 inches, while the full length will be 23 inches. Now I folded it this way because I'll be getting both sleeves together. As you can see, the length we'll be working with will be 23 inches and the width will be 9 inches. Now to get the high-low effect, I'm going to fold it in this way. One part will be longer than the other, as you can see. Now the shorter part is 7 inches. Now the longer part is 13 inches, as you can see. Everything will depending on what you want to achieve, but this is the measurements I use. I just folded in this way. Now to get the measurements for the circumference, now my round sleeve is 8 inches. Now the circumference I'll be working with will be 8 inches, and this is a 360-degree flare. The formula for getting a 360-degree flare, I'll be placing it here so you understand how to cut your circumference so that it won't be bigger and it won't be smaller. Now this is the formula for 360-degree flare. C divided by 6.28. Now my C is the circumference, which is the 8, which is the round sleeve, divided by 6.28, which gave me 1.27. I will approximate this to 1.23. This 1.23 is what I'll be using now to cut at this area. I'll be cutting this place open, and to do this I'll just place my tape just as you can see, and now take that 1.23 just like this. I'm going to go around just like the normal way of cutting flare. I'll cut this out. Once I was done cutting this out, I'm just going to open this up now. Okay, the next thing we'll be doing now is just to connect this. Now at this point, I'm just going to use my chalk to just make a curve like this. It's that simple. Then I'll just cut this out. This high-low sleeve is actually that simple. This is it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my lining to like turn this and bring it back. I'm gonna head to do this. I've done this with the lining. You can decide to hem yours or use your bias. The next thing we're doing is to close the sleeve. I'm going to take one sleeve and I'm just going to close it and bring it back. Now I'm gonna head to close the sleeve. What I'll do now is I'll make a mark at this point. I'll just use my chalk to highlight these points. Then I'm also going to bring the flay part, and I'm also going to use my chalk to highlight the shorter part of this flay. Now I'm going to fix this. I'll take this highlighted area on the main sleeve and then take this other part, join it, front side facing front side, and I'm just going to sew round. I'm going to sew it round. And once I was done, this is what we have. This is the high-low flay sleeve. Very simple. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Leave me a comment. Make sure you share this video with other people. See you in the next one. Bye.